Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to day number 8 of Vlogmas. Today, we're going to be diving into something super exciting. Streaming tips for beginners. Choosing the right platform is quite a big deal, especially when you're just starting out. There are so many options out there like OBS, Streamlabs, TikTok Live, TikTok Studio, Instagram Live, and so many more. But don't worry, I've got you covered. So let's break it down. First things first, ask yourself, what's my goal with streaming? Are you trying to build a community, monetize your streams, just have fun sharing gameplays or creative content? Your goals will help you figure out the best platform and tools for you. With TikTok and TikTok Live Studio, they are perfect for quick, mobile-friendly streams and reaching a wide audience. OBS and Streamlabs are better for gaming and detailed streams where you want customizations and overlays. So here's a quick overview of the most popular platforms and who they're best for. With OBS Studio, it is free, highly customizable, lightweight, work on almost any PC setup. But it does require more setup time and a bit of a technical know-how. It's best for gamers and streamers who want a full control over their stream. Streamlabs, on the other hand, it's a user-friendly interface, built-in overlays, alerts, and widgets. But it does get heavier on PC resources. Premium features does cost extra. It is best for beginners who want an all-in-one streaming solution. As for TikTok Live itself, it's super easy to go live, great for quick, casual streams, but it is limited on customizations options, less ideal for gameplay streams, best for creators looking to grow on TikTok and connect with a mobile-first audience. And as far as TikTok Live Studio, it does offer more features for gaming streams compared to regular TikTok Live. It is still in its early stage, so not as powerful as OBS or Streamlabs. It's best for TikTok creators who wants to expand into gaming or more polished streams. But let's talk tech for a minute. Your setup plays a huge role in deciding which platform is best for you. Low-end PC or a laptop, stick with OBS or TikTok Live or TikTok Live Studio for a much lower resource consumption. As far as high-end PC, Streamlabs can shine here with its beautiful overlays and extra features. But if you're mobile only, go with TikTok Live. It's your go-to for simplicity and mobility. But for me, I personally started on PS4. And then I switched over to Streamlabs, which I didn't really quite understand. And then I went to OBS, and then now I'm back to Streamlabs again. So we're still working that process out. But do remember, it's all about trial and error. So don't stress if it takes a few tries to find the perfect fit, because I know it did for me. So which platform are you thinking of trying out? Let me know in the comments below, and if you're a seasoned streamer, drop your go-to platforms and why you love it. It might help someone else out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Vlogmas fun. I'll see you tomorrow for day number 9. Happy streaming! Bye guys!